Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. Today we will have one more unboxing, but before I start, make sure you don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. Like this we will grow our channel, we will grow our community, and it will help me to create more videos for you and release it maybe not one video per week, maybe 2 or 3, but for now we will stick with the one video per week. Every Wednesday on my channel you will find something new. Either it's unboxing, either it's a lesson or review, you name it. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about this order. First of all, of course, as usual, it's not a commercial video. Everything that I'm showing you and I'm reviewing, I'm buying for myself, by myself, because I really need it. And this order I never needed before, but I really need now. The thing is, in 2 weeks I'm going to travel, and till this moment in my life I always use only one violin. Either it was classical violin, acoustic violin, or it was electro violin. But I never had to travel with 2 violins at the same time. So this time I do have to bring my acoustic violin or classical violin and my electro violin. Now I'm going to travel with a plane, and to travel with the 2 violin cases, it's challenging. Like one violin case on the right shoulder, another one on the left shoulder. It's complicated, it's challenging. Then you never know the policy in airports with airlines. So I thought that maybe this is the time for me to purchase a double violin case. Usually double violin cases, they're not bigger than viola cases. So for me it will work perfectly. It won't be too big. I don't have to carry with me 2 cases, yeah, in each case one violin. I will have my both violins in one case, and I still can put something in it, yeah. So let's open it and let's see if I did a good choice. As usual, I did my order on Thomann. This is the online store, music store, where me and my husband we ordering all the time. The guys, they're very reliable and very helpful. So far I never had any troubles with them. Again, it's not commercial. I'm a grateful customer. So I almost forgot. I also, with the case, I ordered a Whitner chin rest. Why I ordered one more chin rest? It's not a middle chin rest. Yeah, I have a middle chin rest. This one, it's the regular one. Look a little bit different, but I'll make sure I'll do review. I saw actually my review for Whitner chin rest and the shoulder rest. Many people watched it. I think it's the top video on my channel right now. And for sure I'm gonna do the review for this chin rest as well, but later on. You know that recently I purchased, and I also did a review and unboxing of my band violin case. This time the double violin case, it's Gewa. Never used the cases from Gewa before. This case will be really first one for me. Well, on the pictures, on the review on the Thomann, and the pricing, so all in general was looking very good. as you can see, the case is in the plastic. Indeed, it's not bigger than viola case, so it's fine. My old violin case also was black and it was amazing, and it is. The only thing it's heavy, but I think I can sacrifice myself now. And you guys, you know that because of that heavy case I started to have some back problems, but now it's traveling, and it will be long travel, so I have to make some sacrifices in order to bring 2 violins. And all right. So this is the straps, and I actually kind of freaked out because label, yeah, here, I don't know if you can see it, but on the label it's the regular violin case. If the picture is not double violin case, so I think let's open it and see it if it is a double violin case. Because that would be unfortunate if it's not. Whew, thanks God. Yeah, so this is a double case. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is for the hair. It doesn't really. Oh. Fell down from somewhere. Oh, it's something new. Okay, I'll do a review later on, of course, because first I do have to try it. Yeah. Oh, look, it's coming with the flow. Okay, so it has the pockets, 1 and 2. Guys, you know what I can tell you from now? I don't really like the smell of the case. Like, if you watch my BAM review, and first thing that I've noticed that there is not some special smell, you know, like a glue or some chemicals or something. There wasn't any smell. Even I can say that the smell was very pleasant. It was something like perfume or something. Here, as soon as I opened the case, I didn't like the smell. But okay, it is what it is. So this thing fell down from top. Okay, so now I brought my 2 violins. I want to put them inside. Okay, let's see also the straps. To tell you guys, actually, for sure, I have to use it first to see it, how I'll feel in the road with this case, and then I'll do a review for you and sum up about this case. Also, what is good for the road, let's try to close it. What good is for the road? It has a pocket, so I can stack some more things in here. Papers or a tablet or something. I think that's it for today. I make sure I'll do that review of this case. And thank you for being with me. See you next Wednesday. Bye.